Hey yo, what's up guys? Today we're checking out the Pocket Watch. The first mod is Fly. It works if you could use it correctly. Second mod is No Gravity. So yeah, if you just want to fly up, that works too. Next mod, Speed. Yeah, next mod. Next mod is Time Scale. I actually don't know what this does. I'm pressing A for some reason. Yeah, looks like it speeds up time by a little. So, I don't know. Go back to normal. I'm gonna juke you. Juked! Look at this. Look at this slime junk. Ooh. 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 Ooh! That's that mod. Platforms. That's platforms, guys. Next mod is wall walk. Wow. Wall walk. Next one's grip. Wow, it just makes walls stickier. Next one's ghost. Doesn't work because I'm banned. Invisibility doesn't work because I'm banned. No clip works. Teleport gun does it by itself sometimes, like this. See, made me go outside the map. That's that. Next mod we're gonna try though is report gun. Nobody's here, probably would work. You see the dot. Color logger 000. Oh, wow. Mario Monkey. Tag gun. There's no dot. Don't know what the point of this is. Tag Aura. Don't know what that does. Anti-tag. ESP. Don't see anybody. Shoot all. No. Aim assist. Nope. Slingshot teleport. Wow. Lobby hop. Switches your lobby. Port hop. First person camera and anonymous mode. That's the whole mod menu, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.